read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This lecture is for you. What are the expected learning outcomes of our today's lesson? The student is expected to identify the uppercase and lowercase letter H, learn the words that start with the sound, learn the formation of uppercase and lowercase letter H. So let's start. Start from the first line, come straight down, make sleeping line, make another straight line, it will make capital H. Start from the dot, come straight down, go up, jump, make a loop. It will make small h. The letter name is H and the sound of H is hand, hand. After that, you have to teach all vocabulary words: hat, horse, hammer, house. Okay. You have to make flashcards of uppercase and lowercase letter H, these vocabulary words, okay? And we have to visualize them to the students. It's very easier to clear their concept according to this pattern, formation, sound, vocabulary words. After finishing this work, you have to visualize the story and ask different questions for the development of their brains. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.